This channel is dedicated to sharing the rich customs, traditions, and history of the Shona people of Zimbabwe. Here you'll find Shona Proverbs, Tsumo, explained in English so everyone can understand their deep meaning and life lessons. Shona history, stories of our past, our ancestors, and the traditions that shaped our identity. Shona folktales, Ngano, timeless stories filled with humor, wisdom, and moral lessons. Each video brings our heritage to life through storytelling, helping preserve Shona culture for future generations and sharing its universal wisdom with the world. Whether you speak Shona or not, you'll find stories that inspire, teach, and connect us all. Join our community and subscribe to help keep Shona traditions alive, one proverb, one story, one video at a time. Rume rimwe harikombi churu. One man alone cannot surround an anthill. Together, we tell the stories that must never be forgotten.